Morning, pigeon family. It's Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's right at 8 o'clock in the morning. On my way to work, letting the birds out. It's 8 miles from my house. 64 degrees. I'm in a mall parking lot. You can see the sun. That's east, so we see. Hey, let me give a special shout out to Aloha Pigeons. Sean, I'm sorry about the loss of some of your birds. Just want to let you know your videos are great. Hope you bounce back. Hope some more come home. All right, let's let the guys go. Let's see what they do. Y'all ready, guys? Looks like they're getting their bearings, but they're definitely flying the wrong way. There they go. Turning. See them down there. All right. Oh, there they go. Towards the flag. There they go. They're definitely going the right way. This is where I lost that one bird. It's 21 in this group. Can't see them no more. All right, people. Thanks for watching. Second toss, 8 miles. Ham's Loft. Peace.